I'm
Biggest
always
time.
following my heart.
Yeah.
You know? And because I'm always following my heart, I'm always heartbroken.
Yeah, true.
You get me?
You know what? During the pandemic, I was going through a breakup. I remember this. And I was just, alam mo yun, parang I wanted to go out and party and forget and just be on my usual pattern.
Right.
Coping
Mech.
Oo.
Na parang, okay, inom na lang or let's go
Default.
clubbing. Yeah.
Default.
Factory
But
reset.
I was forced to stay in. And then parang every day, like, I really thought that that guy was it.
Right,
You know,
right.
na parang, okay, siya na. On paper kasi, check lahat eh.
Yeah.
Pero the dynamic was very different.
Mm.
But anyway, so I was just crying all the time. And just like you, doon ka rin naisip na, doon kasi lumabas sa relationship na yun, all my anxiety, how clingy I am, how needy. Alam mo yun, na parang, oh my gosh,
You had
girl.
shadows to work with.
Super. So, for some reason, ako naman, I googled talaga like, how to deal with a breakup, mga ganyan. So, yun talaga yung sinesearch ko sa YouTube.
Lapang ChatGPT nun.
Wala pa. Pero may YouTube.
Pero may
Yan.
YouTube. And then that's when I came across these two therapists na super hindi mo iisipan na bagay yung dynamic nila because the girl was an old lady, like lola talaga. And then the guy was like a tito. Tapos sila yung nagta-tag team. Tapos yung channel nila, I forget the channel, pero it's dedicated for all the people na iniwan. So, kung heartbroken ka at iniwan ka, dun ka pupunta.
Okay.
Because they were just really talking to you para kang nasa therapy. Pero parang friend ka din. So, it
Yes.
really spoke to me.
You related.
And that's when I realized na ang baba ng EQ ko. And
Oh
I'm
my God.
attached,
Yeah.
like anxiously attached.
Yeah.
And then doon na nag-stem yung knowledge na, wow, it really goes back to my childhood and how
Yes.
we were
Everything
brought up.
does.
Yeah.
Everything
Parented
does.
and
Yeah.
Diba? And
caretaker
how
dynamics.
it really affects your adult relationships, especially in romantic
Oh yeah.
relationships.
Oh yeah.
And then I shared it with my sister na parang, Dana, ang baba ng EQ natin.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to work on this.
Yeah.
That is such a great first step. And that needs strength.